Quran say about Isa coming back and Imam Mehdi? And if he is to come back, now please think about it. Will he be a Sunni, Shia, or any other?
So has a question that is Isa alayhi salam going to come? Is Mehdi alayhi salam going to come? And if he's going to come, will he be a Shia, Sunni? What will he be? Here there are various hadith talking about the coming of Mehdi alayhi salam. The Quran speaks and says that the signs of Qiyamah would be Isa alayhi salam will come. Amongst the signs of Qiyamah is the coming of Isa alayhi salam. It's also mentioned in Surah Ma'idah chapter number 5 verse 116 that Isa alayhi salam says to Allah Bari Ta'ala that you be my witness. I never told them to worship me, but I said, Ubudullah, worship Allah, Rabbi wa Rabbukum, my Lord and your Lord. So Isa alayhi salam is going to come. There are no less than 70 Sahih hadith saying that Isa alayhi salam is going to come again. Similarly, Mehdi alayhi salam. So before the Qiyamah, they're going to come. Regarding will they be Shia, will they be Sunni, what will they be? They will be Muslims. I had given the talk on unity in the Muslim Ummah in Manchester. I don't intend repeating here, it's a long talk. Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Al-Imran chapter 3 verse 67, Abraham alayhi salam was not a Jew or a Christian, he was a Muslim. Quran says in Surah Al-Imran chapter 3 verse 52, Isa alayhi salam was a Muslim. Quran says in Surah Hajj chapter 22 verse number 78 that Allah has called you, means us, as Muslims. Allah says in Surah Al-Imran chapter 3 verse 64, فَقُلُوا شَهِدُوا بِأَنَّا مُسْلِمُونَ. Say ye bear witness that ye are Muslims. Allah says in Surah Fussilat chapter number 41 verse number 33, قَالَ إِنَّنِي مِنَ الْمُسْلِمِينَ. Say that you are a Muslim. Muslim, Muslim, Muslim. No less than 37 times Allah uses the word Muslim, Muslim, Muslim. 22 times as Muslimun and 15 times as Muslimin. So the best label which Allah has given us, that is Muslim. And Isa alayhi salam also, and Mehdi alayhi salam, inshallah, they'll come as Muslims.